Hi, I'm Rosa Provost, a customer service representative here at Bank Gloucester. Today we're going to go over how to use the Roadside Assistance benefit on BGPerks. First, on your smartphone, go to your BGPerks app. Once open, tap Roadside Assistance. You'll receive a text with a link to help determine your location. Click the link and follow the instructions to choose the service that you need. Available services include towing, battery, flat tire, fuel, oil, fluid, and water delivery, lockout, collision, and extrication. Roadside Assistance is available 24/7. It's free to use for services up to $80. If your covered charges are more than $80, you'll simply pay the difference. You may also call or email member services to speak with a representative. Look for both links directly below the "We're here to help" text. It's as easy as that. Keep an eye out for more editions of our Start Here, Get There video series, and thanks for watching.